Hi everyone, it's me Eden from Lemonerdy. I am going to be at Microsoft Build in just 3 weeks. As usual, I am so excited, and today I'm even more excited because I'm going to be opening a mystery box from Microsoft. Now I actually have no idea what is in here, so this should be pretty interesting. I have here my safety scissors, very useful and responsible. There we go. The grand reveal. Microsoft Build. I'm very excited. A letter. It says, Eden, I'm so glad you're joining us at Build 2023. I hope that Build is a small step in your larger journey. Whatever you decide to do, it is sure to be awesome. I hesitate a little bit because it's in cursive. I'm not great at reading cursive. Signed, Scott Hanselman. Scott Hanselman is basically like my fairy tech father, if that's a thing. I'm not sure what to do with these, but eventually I will figure it out on my STEM journey. This is an Adafruit. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these. Oh my gosh. It's one of those Adafruit circuits. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting to learn how to use one of these so bad. I already feel smarter. A Microsoft Surface Arc mouse? This looks very futuristic, very fancy. I will definitely be connecting this to my computer. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Microsoft. A smart soldering iron. Fancy. So I can solder the circuits with the soldering iron. I have power tools, tiny smart power tools. Microsoft Surface Adaptive Kit. This seems like something that connects it to the hardware. Because most of the time I deal with software type stuff, like just coding. But this is gonna be so cool to get more into hardware and circuits and okay, I am really excited about this soldering. This soldering. I can just buzz things and put them. Project Lab. I have to figure out what this is. I think this is more circuit type stuff. This big thing right here is a hack kit. Okay, it says Wilderness Labs. I'm gonna open this today. I'm so excited. I'm bumbling with the scissors, guys. This is amazing. Cut away from myself. Safety first, guys. Oh, we power connected things. That's what it says. And wow. Okay, this is a lot. Oh, is there a breadboard in here? I worked with breadboards this summer, but I wanted to get back into it. These are so cool. There's so many of them. And there's stickers! There's stickers. There's lights in here. I'm actually so excited to learn how to do these circuits. You all will probably get tired of seeing me on TikTok trying to figure this stuff out. I haven't worked with circuits since this summer and wow. Yep, they do have a breadboard in here. Yay! Whoop, whoop. This is so cool. There's just so much stuff to dive into here. Thank you so much, Microsoft, and to all the people who are organizing this experience. You're definitely going to be keeping me occupied during these 3 weeks anticipating the conference. I know you guys are probably as excited as I am about Microsoft Build, if that's even possible. So make sure that you join us either live, virtually, or in person, and I will put links in the description to where you can access the event and sign up to join me at Microsoft Build. Thank you all for watching. Bye.